Hey, you got the hiccups?
I got the hiccups. Oh no, stupid hiccups. How did you get the stupid hiccups? Poor little dog.
Since Deb isn't with us, she can do
Little bear. You poor puppy. Little bear, you sad? You got the hiccups? Are they gone?
All better? You seem better.
Lulu, your hiccups cured?
picked up my beer and it's got refried beans all over.
Ew.
I think you're cured.